In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable TikTok ads. Navigating the world of social media advertising can sometimes feel like a daunting task, especially if you're new to the platform or advertising in general. Today you'll learn in a detailed manner how to set up your ads on TikTok, ensuring your business or project gets the visibility it deserves. Our journey begins by visiting the TikTok ads website. This is your gateway to unlocking the potential of TikTok advertising. By directing your web browser to ads.tiktok.com, you're taking the first crucial step towards marketing success on one of the world's most vibrant social media platforms. Once you've arrived at the TikTok ads homepage, look for the login button. This button is your next step, and clicking it will navigate you toward accessing your TikTok ads account. If you're yet to create an account, worry not, as this step is designed for both new and returning users. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. This is a standard security measure to ensure that your account remains secure while providing you with access to your advertising dashboard. Type in your credentials carefully to proceed. Following the entry of your email and password, it's time to click on Login once more to access your account. This action validates your credentials and grants you access to the world of TikTok advertising. Security is paramount, and TikTok takes it seriously by incorporating a CAPTCHA verification process as your next step. This simple but effective step helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Complete the CAPTCHA, click Confirm, and you're almost there. Occasionally, for an additional layer of security, TikTok will send a code to your email. This is a verification step to further ensure the safety of your account. Check your email inbox for the code, return to the TikTok ads site, and input this code to verify your identity. Now that you're logged in and verified, it's time to explore the creative potential of TikTok ads. Your first stop is the campaign section. This page is where the magic happens, where you plan, execute, and manage your advertising campaigns on TikTok. The clarity and layout of this page make navigating your campaign options both simple and intuitive. Your next action point involves clicking on the Add option within the campaign section. This click takes you deeper into the customization and targeting aspects of your ad creation process. It's the creative heart of your campaign, where you can define the specifics of how you want your ad to appear to TikTok users. After familiarizing yourself with the ad creation tools, your attention should turn to the on-off column. Here you have the power to control the visibility of your ad campaigns. It's an essential tool for managing which ads go live and which ones are paused or scheduled for a future date. Finally, it's time to turn on your ad. The moment you've been preparing for, by toggling the switch in the on-off column to on, your ad is now live for the TikTok community to see. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated the process of enabling TikTok ads. A few parting tips to ensure your success on TikTok. First, always double check your ad content and settings before going live. A small typo or targeting mishap can dramatically affect the efficacy of your campaign. Second, monitor your ads performance closely through the TikTok ads dashboard. The insights provided here are invaluable for optimizing future campaigns. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment. The unique and dynamic nature of TikTok makes it a fantastic platform for creative and experimental advertising. You've now taken a significant step towards harnessing the power of TikTok advertising. With your ad live, the potential to reach millions of engaged users worldwide is at your fingertips. Thank you for following along in today's tutorial. Whether you're promoting a business, launching a new product, or raising awareness for a cause, mastering TikTok ads is a potent addition to your marketing toolkit. Happy advertising, and see you in the next video.